Welcome to Western Washington University. My name is Tina Castillo, and I'm one of the admissions counselors. I work with students in Whatcom and Skagit County, and we'll be sharing with you all some campus updates during this presentation. So let's get started. Western offers over 175 different academic programs of study to choose from. This year, we have added 7 new programs. Our new residence hall on campus will add an additional 264 beds and provide ADA access to the Ridgeway Housing Complex. The new interdisciplinary science building will add biology and chemistry labs and classrooms to support our growing STEM programs. The Office of Admissions is open, however, we are working remotely. As always, you can reach us by phone or email, or go online and schedule a 30-minute one-on-one video appointment to speak with one of our admissions counselors. We have suspended travel to college fairs and school this fall because of COVID-19. However, we are participating in virtual college fairs and virtual classroom visit options. Reach out to your admissions counselor for more information. Regarding changes to our application review process and COVID-19, we have decided to go test optional for the 2021 application cycle. We have not made any decisions for future applications and test score requirements yet. If your school had any grading policy changes because of COVID-19, for example, pass or no pass grades or credit or no credit, this will not affect admission to Western nor scholarships. If you have any questions about this, contact your admissions counselor. It's important to stay up to date with the latest changes, so we encourage you to check out our website for more information. We're offering a number of ways to stay connected virtually, so we encourage students and their families to go to our website. We have lots of opportunities to learn about Western, for example, online virtual campus tours, online admission information sessions and student panels, one-on-one video appointments with admissions counselors, and more. Campus visits are currently suspended until further notice. Students can sign up online to be notified when campus tours and visits will resume. Our virtual fall preview day will take place on Saturday, October 17th. This is a great day for your students to learn more about Western. On this day, students will be able to attend live virtual sessions to learn about admissions, student life, academic information sessions, and more. Students can sign up to be notified when registration goes live on our website. November 1st is our early action deadline. If students apply by that deadline, they will hear back by December 31st, and our regular deadline is January 31st. Our financial aid priority deadline is also January 31st. When students apply for admission to Western, we will also review their application for any merit-based admission scholarships. We also offer the Multicultural Achievement Program MAP scholarship. So if your students have questions on Western's admission scholarships, have them contact their admissions counselor. Student Outreach Services provides services to our first-gen students, multicultural and non-traditional students through a number of programs. Our Disability Access Center also works with Western students to ensure equal access to Western's programs and services. And our Student Counseling Center provides mental health services to our students. It's important to stay connected with us during this uncertain time, so we encourage you to reach out to your admissions counselor for more information. We have some returning admissions counselors as well as some new faces to our team, and we're excited to work with you and serve you and your students regarding all things Western. We can't wait to hear from you very soon. Go Vikings!